How to change default PDF viewer on any Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can change default PDF viewer on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch settings in your device. Under settings, tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Tap on the search icon at the top right corner. Now here you have to search for your default application that you use to view your PDF. So in my case, I use Word to view my PDF. Now to change this default application, once you're on the app info page, scroll down a bit and here it says open by default, tap on it. Scroll down a bit and there you'll have an option as clear default preferences, so tap on it. Now you don't have any default set for this application. Now what you have to do is again go back, or you can simply close the settings. After that, open up your file manager to open any one of your PDF. Here tap on any one of the PDF. Now it will ask you options to open your PDF with. So from here you have to select your preferred application that you want to use to view your PDF. So in my case, I will just select Drive. After that, if you want to make this your default PDF viewer, then tap on always at the bottom right corner. Now your default PDF viewer is changed from Word to Drive. So in this way, you can change your default PDF viewer on any Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.